Starting the process by just browsing could set you up for heartbreak, especially in this market. Before you go looking for and falling in love with a home, you need a realistic idea of what you can afford. Make sure your credit is in good shape, and most importantly, get pre-approved for a mortgage. So wait, pre-qualified versus pre-approved, what's the difference? Some people use the terms interchangeably, but there are important differences that every home buyer should understand. Pre-qualifying is just the first step. It gives you an idea of how large of a loan you'll likely qualify for. Pre-approval is the second step, a conditional commitment to actually grant you the mortgage. Pre-qualification is based on consumer-submitted data. It provides a ballpark estimate of how much someone can borrow. This does not hold as much weight as a pre-approval, is typically done for free, and does not include a credit report check. Loan pre-qualification is based solely on the information handed over to the lender, so it doesn't mean as much if accurate data is not provided. Pre-approval is based on verified consumer data. The borrower receives a conditional written commitment for an exact loan amount after being pre-approved. This speeds up the buying process and requires the completion of a mortgage application and the submission of various documents. Getting pre-approved is more involved, and that is what any list agent or home seller will be looking for to take your offer seriously. Although they sound the same, pre-qualified and pre-approved have different meanings. Both are initial steps in the mortgage process, with pre-qualified being an indicator of the size of the mortgage you'll likely be approved for, while pre-approved is a commitment with conditions from a lender that you will be approved for a mortgage. Knowing the difference will help you move through the mortgage process a lot smoother. If you're unsure where to start, you're in luck. We know some of the best loan officers around. And working with us means our connections are your connections. DM us to get started today.